Hello. So now we're getting on to the wheels. So actually, this is a good point to mention what you want to, Ed. That lovely Amy suggested that I send the wheels without. I'm so sorry. I'm still so.
Do you want me to say?
Yeah. Could you?
So, Amy Mooper's toy something.
Amazing painter.
Amazing painter. She requested to have the blanks with the wheels detached so she could paint easier, like these bits.
Now, also the wonderful Michelle West from Michelle Makes, she's brilliant as well, ace painter. She suggested, and this is what I have done. So this is what I do when I send them over: is I leave a little couple of mil gap in between. So I make the dowel a bit longer than I would for my regular toys. So there's a little bit of gap for the paintbrush. But actually, I mean, I genuinely, think that Amy's right. Is what like it's really. So basically, I'm showing you how to put on the wheels now. So, pay attention. So we've got 8.3 dowels. We've got dowels here, like I said, it's been CE tested. I've got quite a rubbish bandsaw rip fence, so I always measure it with my ruler. And I don't trust this side here, because I don't trust that this is straight all the time. So we've got an 8.3. I'm going to cut 2 of these out now for the axles. Oh! Health and safety. So you got your car, you got your wheels. I always check before I put my dowel on my wheels that you've got a little bit of room there for manoeuvre, the height of it's right, etc, just to make sure. I'm sure it'll be fine, but you never know. So you've got your damp cloth, you've got your glue. I use type 1-3. That's not an advert phone. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the side that's the best. And interestingly, we put that on the inside. So the best side goes on the inside, because we're going to sand down the outside later. So, glue.
That was quite interesting.
You weren't interested by that at all.
That was actually quite interesting. Oh, God. The first bit.
The first bit in the whole 50-hour video. That's in fact, we're going to do all the wheels at once, because it gives the wheels.
That's adding tension to the video.
Exactly, because we all know.
Will it dry?
It's good to give it a bit of time to soak into the wheel first.
Okay. Does it matter what glue you use?
Yes.
Oh.
Good glue. Normally, you want it to be strong enough, don't you? Type 1's like been recommended by everybody. It's a really good one. But obviously, here what I'm doing is I'm wiping off the glue. Obviously, these are the inside bits. Yeah. Okay. So I'm wiping off the insides. We're then gonna tap.
Oh. Oh. I don't like that one.
I know you didn't, did you?
So Amy, this is what you have to do.
Yeah.
I think she'll be able to do it.
Yeah, I think it's not exactly rocket science. So we're wiping off the excess glue off of those ones and off the table. And then we're going to put it through the car.
Let me see. Oh, yeah.
Through the car like this. Then we're going to tap.
Do you have to be careful of the body of the car here, though?
No. No.
Mind your fingers, Dad. I don't like it. Have you hit your finger with it yet?
Yes. And then we're wiping off the excess glue. What we're going to do later, so that none of the glue is accessible at all, because for CE testing, that's quite an important thing, is we're going to give it a sand on the belt sander to make sure that any residue has gone. So as you can see, it's poked through a bit. That's fine. Leave it. We're going to leave that to dry overnight. Always leave it to dry overnight. It says 4 hours, I think, or something like that, but it's best to give it a good dry overnight. Yeah. And that's it, basically. Okay. I'll show you the last sand that we did.
Let me do slow-mo.
No.
In a minute, let me do slow-mo on it.
You can do slow-mo later. Okay, so because Eddie was obsessed with slow-mo, we actually missed out on the last section because she forgot to record it because she was obsessing about slow-mo. So this is what you do at the end. As you can see on these cars, there's the bit dowel poking through. It's a bit gluey on there and stuff like that. So it's going to do the last final sand on here. We just take it down.
Could you just tell everyone the temperature in here, please?
It's like mine. It's like it's New Year's Eve, isn't it? So yeah, it's really freezing. Right, ready? So as you can see, we've been that nice and flat. Now what that has done is it's now taken off your rounded edges. So we're just going to re-sand it with a finer grit here. And
let's see.
there you go. So you got so your wheel's nice and round, rounded off again. Yeah.
Beautiful.
And then that when I've done all 4 wheels, that'll be finished.
Yeah. And should we do slow mo of it now?
We've done.